What you're looking at isn't just a scene from the wild. This is a highly advanced biosanctuary, where massive tusks are safely and painlessly harvested from majestic elephants. Today, we're taking you inside a state-of-the-art mega-factory to see how this raw, dusty exterior is transformed into the ultimate symbol of luxury.
All right, lift on 3. Keep the spacing even, guys. Batch 4A logged. Tracking sequence is matching perfectly.
Before any carving can begin, the raw material must be perfectly purified. Submerged in a massive stainless steel tank, millions of microscopic ultrasonic bubbles violently strip away decades of natural dirt. In just minutes, the flawless, pearlescent white ivory is revealed.
Steam pressure is optimal, getting the last bits out of these crevices. Surface is flawlessly smooth, zero moisture left, perfect batch. Structural scan complete. Internal density looks perfect for slicing.
Perfect. Ready for the next phase.
I'm optimizing the cut paths here to maximize the yield.
Perfection requires absolute precision. Inside the 3D mapping chamber, high-frequency lasers scan every micromillimeter of the surface. Once the computer locks in the optimal cutting path, massive diamond-tipped saws, spinning at extreme speeds, slice through the dense material like butter.
The core density is flawless. Absolutely perfect block.
Thickness is exactly within tolerance. Send them to the CNC.
This is where the real magic happens. Advanced 5-axis robotic CNC machines take over. With microscopic accuracy, razor-sharp milling bits carve out intricate luxury combs and majestic chest knights, turning solid blocks into delicate masterpieces.
The tolerances on these teeth are spot on. perfect cut.
All right, team, next batch is coming down the line.
Let's check the inner edges on this piece.
Smoothing out perfectly, almost there. This batch is ready for the high gloss buffing. Applying the compound, wheels are primed.
Just bringing out that perfect luxury shine on the night.
Ensure the combs are perfectly aligned before the final inspection.
From a dusty,
This
raw
batch
tusk
looks flawless.
to a high-gloss masterpiece. After passing rigorous quality checks, these flawless creations are gently placed into premium velvet-lined boxes. A perfect fusion of human craftsmanship and mega factory engineering.